Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see how we can make API call request in Python. For example, in your Python code, how you can call any API that we will see guys. Okay. So you can see guys, I have created my project in Flask guys. You can see there is the static files, templates files. Okay. So main we will work on this app.py guys because it is Python, right? So app.py only we will use, and in that we will do the API call. Okay. And suppose if you want this how we can get Flask project, that video already I have done guys. You can watch that, means you will get that video in my playlist. Or what I will do, I will add in I button, or I will add in at the end screen guys, so you watch this video full. Okay, fine guys, so let's start guys. See guys, to make any API call, okay, there should be a first request method guys, because after requesting only what we can give, we will call the API, right? So request should be there. So you need to install this guys. If you don't have, you need to install. If already you have installed, then no problem guys. Okay, so first what we need to do, import the request. Okay, this is done. Next guys, what we need to do, we need to take the URL point, means URL means API URL. You know guys, we will create the APIs, and if you don't know, that video already I have done guys, how to create APIs and all. So you can watch that video, you will get. Already I have created guys how we can create APIs in Python. Okay, so this is, I'm taking one third party API, you can say, or one simple API which is free API. You can also take this guys. Okay, so in that only we will see. So it is JSON placeholder, it is simple get API guys. Okay, and here it is tipicode.com forward slash to do to do's forward slash one. Okay, so this is my API guys. Okay, that is https JSON placeholder dot tpcode.com to use. You can use guys for test, means for practice. You can use this API, no problem, it will work. Okay, so we have called it API, means we have now API URL. Now we need to get the request from that API, whatever data is there in that URL, that we need to take, right? For that, what we need to do one get request guys. Okay, so what I will do, I will take that request in response. So a response is equal to this, it will come guys now. Okay, here it is requests dot get, from where we want to request that, from URL, right? From this URL, right? So we are taken here URL. Okay, so this is done guys. Here we are requesting the URL, and whatever data I'm getting from this URL, that we are storing in response. Okay, now what, not now what we will do guys, we will see whether the response is success or failure. Okay, so for that, what we need to do, if my response dot status, see, if my status code is equal to 200, it will be a successful response, right? Okay, so I have taken what status, sorry, this is my response, and in that status underscore code is equal to 200 I have taken guys. Okay, then what we will do, we will pass the JSON response now. Okay, so for that, data is equal to response, whatever response I'm getting, that I'm taking dot JSON, I'm passing that in JSON guys. Okay, so here we are converted that in JSON format. Next, what we need to do guys, we need to print that data, we need to see what data I'm getting, right? So here I'm taking print data, whatever data I'm getting from this JSON, that I'm printing here. Okay, if suppose my response is not correct, then what I have to do, I have to take else. In that will print guys something, you can print anything guys. So what I will print here, fail to retrieve the data from status code, that we will write guys here. Okay, so fail to retrieve data from status code. Okay guys, so if the response is false, we will get like this, we are printing this. If it is correct, we are printing the data. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. So I'll tell you once again, guys, how it will work. See, guys, what you're doing, we're requesting, sorry, we are importing the request, because request is important, guys, to get request from that URL. Okay, and this is our URL, which is the API. This is one API, guys, and the API of that URL. Okay, so how to create API in Python, that video already I have done, you can watch that. Then that I'm storing in URL, means one variable I'm given, that is URL. Okay, then here request, this is get method request, guys. Okay, so what you're doing here, request dot get means whatever data I'm getting from this URL, this API, that we're requesting and that we're storing in response. Okay, then here we're checking the status code. See, if whatever the response I'm getting, that status code is equal to 200, then what we are doing is we are passing the JSON data. Okay, so we're converting that and we're storing that in data. Then what we're doing, we're printing the data. If the status code is not 200, then what will happen, this will print, guys. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. Fine, so what we will do now, we will run the program, guys, now. Okay, so for that, what I have to do to run any Python program, so I have to write python app.py. So you can see, guys, it is giving me error, no module name request, means I don't have this request, so I have to install that. So for that, what I will do, pip install request, I'll print here, sorry, I will add here. So what it will do is, we have to wait here till it get. Okay, see, guys, it is installed now what I will do, see, if you also don't have that, then, guys, this command you need to use, that is pip install request, it will install. Then again we will run the program. You can see, guys, we got the JSON response format. You can see, guys, this is in JSON format. Okay, so here you can see, guys, we have called API, we have used here API, and we got response also. Okay, here this only print data, whatever you're doing is that printing here, guys. Suppose if you want to see the output of this, you can see like this also. If you go here and if you check here, now you will get, see, guys, I user ID 1 title and completed. So same response we'll get, user ID title and completed, right, guys? So see, guys, like this, what we can do, we can call the get API, or you can say we how we can call the API in our Python. Okay, so we'll see later this also, guys, post how we can do put delete everything, we will see, guys. And we'll try to use database also for this, that also video will come, guys. So stay tuned to my channel. And, guys, if you have any question, any queries, then, guys, please comment in comment box. And this is a simple program, guys, simple how we can call API in our Python code, simple code, simple program. And if you want more program like this, then, guys, please comment in comment box. And if you're liking my videos, then like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting, guys.